Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find TD Bank Swift code. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So you can see right here, as I opened my Brave browser and looked for the topic, you see that what makes Brave so special is that when you search for something, you get website links and a generated AI answer. So if you guys want to download Brave browser, you're gonna see the link in the description down below. It says, based on the provided search results, here are the ways to find a TD Bank Swift code. The first way is to log into online banking. Check your online banking account for the Swift code, usually listed alongside other account details. Now, the other way is bank statement. Refer to your bank statement as the Swift code might be mentioned there. The other way, or the third way, is to contact customer care. Reach out to TD Bank's customer care directly to ask for your bank's Swift code. The fourth way is to check with the recipient. If you're sending money internationally, ask the recipient for their bank's Swift code or check with them to confirm the correct code. And the fifth way is through TD Bank's website. Visit TD Bank's website and search for Swift code or BIC code, which refers to Bank Identifier Code, and you might find a general Swift code for all TD Bank accounts or branches. Now we have some important notes. TD Bank uses different Swift codes for different types of banking services or branches. And make sure to verify the Swift code with your recipient or bank to avoid errors. And the third note is, if you're unsure about the correct Swift code, it's always best to contact TD Bank's customer care or check with the recipient. And here are two examples of Swift codes. For Toronto Dominant Bank TD in Canada, this is the Swift code, and for TD Bank NA in the United States, this is their Swift code. And remember to double check the Swift code with the relevant party to ensure accurate and successful international transactions. That was it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.